Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. If you are trading meme coins on Solana, speed matters a lot, and that's where Padre Terminal comes in. Today I will give you a quick beginner guide showing how to start trading using this fast terminal interface. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined this platform, you can use our referral code, which is CryptoWhale, or you can also check for our referral link available into the description of the video. If you sign up with our referral code or our referral link, you can save big transaction fees forever on this platform. Okay, so first of all, when you click on that link, referral link, which is available in the description of video, you will read to this kind of website. Okay, so what is Padre Terminal? Padre Terminal is a trading interface designed especially for fast Solana token trading. Instead of switching between multiple tabs, it gives you like token charts, buy and sell buttons, wallet access, trade history, all in one place. Okay, so first of all, you will open the website, and after that you will click on this trade now button, and it will give you a pop-up for the sign up. I have already created an account. You can do the same with our referral link, and after signing up successfully you will reach to this kind of interface, and this is basically overall dashboard. Okay, so once the page loads, you will see the main trading dashboard where most of the tools are located. So here's the step 2. First of in step 2, you will connect your wallet with this trading platform. In order to connect your trading wallet, you will click on this option. Here you can see that if you click on this manage, and then you can create, or like you can attach your wallet, whether it's a phantom wallet or solve. After connecting your wallet, balance and tokens will appear in the interface. As you can see that it's displaying 0 right now because I have no amount in that wallet that I have just connected. Okay, so after the step 2, you will go for the step 3. Like if you want to search for any specific meme coin, you will just put their contract address here. The terminal will load that token. For example, this is the token, right? And here you will see that this is the price chart. You will see all the detail like liquidity data and market activity, each and everything on this interface. So here's a step 4, buy a token. To buy the token, enter the amount of sol. Okay, so you will enter the amount of the sol you want to spend and adjust slippage if you want, and click the buy button, and it will buy that coin. After confirmation, the transactions in your wallet, the token will appear in your balance. Okay, in the same way, you can also sell your token by tapping this button, and then you can select the token position, enter the percentage you want to sell, and click sell. So that's how you can sell your coins as well. So make sure to watch the market. One advantage of Padre Terminal is the ability to monitor trading activity quickly. You can see recent trades, price movements, right? And you can also check for the liquidity changes, as you can see here. So if you are new to meme coin trading, start with small trades. Always double check the token contract address, and remember that new tokens can be extremely volatile. Okay, so Padre Terminal makes Solana trading faster and more organized for meme coin traders. If you find this quick start guide helpful, subscribe for more tutorials on crypto trading tools and strategies. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.